What's up guys, ViperFPV here, and today we are going to be talking about the Radiomaster TX16S. I actually wanted to adjust the gimbal stick tension, and I know a lot of people, like have more or less, and it does actually in this Radiomaster TX16 comes with actual extra springs. Those are actually to make the tension even more stronger if you so desire. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be showing you guys how to take apart specifically the Radiomaster TX16S, and then also, once you open it up, how to adjust the gimbals. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, what you want to do with the Radiomaster is you don't have to worry about pulling these off. These don't need to be pulled off, but these side ones, just kind of get your fingernail underneath there and just kind of pull, and those pop off like so. You also want to make sure that your battery is disconnected. So I want to pull that out. And also if you have a module bay, something in there, you want to take that out as well. Okay. So then we got both side covers off. And then what we need to do is just pop out these 4 screws. So let me get my screwdriver. And there'll be these ones right here. So let me go ahead and fast forward, taking these screws off. Okay, so once you have all 4 screws out, there's a tab up here. So what I do is I usually pull from the bottom. And then just kind of lift this part up right here. And you should be able to pop it off like so. And the whole back cover just pops off. And it's good to have it resting like I have on something like this, so then the gimbals don't get all jammed up. Alright, so after you take apart the Radiomaster, you'll see the gimbals right here. So 1, 2, and what we're interested in is these little holes right here. So there, and then there. And then on this side, this has one, and it's right here. And then on this side, since it is throttle, we have the ratcheting mechanism right here. So what you want to go ahead and do is if you want to, say, loosen, make your throttle, I mean not the throttle, but say the roll stick looser, what you want to go ahead and do is you just want to go right here on this side, and then let's go ahead and start loosening it up. And that will make the stick looser, and if you tighten it up, it should make the stick tighter. And then the same thing applies, say for instance pitch. You want to do the same thing here, and it's really by feel. So it would be up to you how tight or how loose you want it. Just feels good in your hands. I suggest maybe flipping it actually over with your finger thumbs and actually trying to move it and see if that's how you like it. Now, moving over to the throttle section here, you can adjust that just like this for yaw, but for up and down for throttle, what you want to go ahead and do is if, say, you don't like any of that has like a little notchiness to it, you can actually go ahead and get a Phillips screwdriver and loosen up this right here. This is the ratcheting part. And then this side here is actually a smooth part. This will actually put tension, so how stiff the stick will feel. So if you want to tighten this down more or less, like so. So if you want to tighten this part right here like a little, so then you have a little more throttle, or if you like it really loose, just backing it out all the way. So let me go ahead and zoom back out so we can go ahead and show you guys how to reassemble it. Alright, so go ahead and reinstall the back cover. Just make sure that these back pins are aligned like so. Drop it down on top of them so they're not getting bent or anything. Start kind of pushing in around the sides. Now this top won't want to pop in. You actually want to push that up. And then kind of pop it in place. I feel like this whole thing needs to get moved over just a slight tad. There we go. Just a really find the right alignment, and then it'll pop back in place just like so. And then to reinstall these, it's real simple. You just make sure that you have the right side. I kind of pop in the sliding parts first, and then I kind of push it over and then kind of roll it onto the top, like so. The same thing with the other side. So slide it into those slots. Turn it over so you guys can see. Like that. And then just kind of just bring it over and it'll just pop back in. But you get the idea. And then just put the 4 screws back in and all your battery and everything, and then you're pretty much on your way. But I hope you found this video helpful. Give this video a like if you haven't. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do tons of tutorials all related about FPV and getting it flying, along with reviews of new products. So subscribe if you haven't already. But this is Viper FPV, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.